Well, at least we start our work week with a nice break between storm systems, a chance to get the driveways cleared, and that high angle of the sun really going to work on area roads and sidewalks to help melt away at least some of our icy and slippery conditions across the region. For tonight, though, we do have some slippery roads in southeast North Dakota with still at least partially covered icy conditions reported there. Again, southeastern North Dakota, get the latest on the Valley News Live weather app for that. All right, we're in the teens, as mentioned, with the northerly breeze around 15 miles per hour. Here's the good news. Tonight, the wind goes away. Temperatures, though, will hit rock bottom. Even by 10 o'clock, some of our area will be below zero on a brutally cold night tonight. But check this out as we set things into motion overnight. Watch the left-hand side of your screen. Here comes the old Alberta Clipper, roaring out of Alberta, making its way through Montana, heading its way through the Dakotas. And by daybreak, our western counties will have a chance at some snow. And the wind will be from the south as things get going on your drive to work. This is 7:30 in the morning. No impacts from the valley and points east yet, but it's on the way. Now, we do notice that as we head towards midday, it passes through the central and southern Red River Valley. The darker blue shades taper off as this thing moves off to the east into Minnesota into the late morning and afternoon. The wind goes from southerly at 15 to 30 miles per hour and then really intensifies as this system exits. Note the temperatures of the air. Temperatures in the teens means we're talking about one of them light, fluffy, powdery type of snows, reduced visibility and slippery conditions reinforced across the area. Not a ton of snow as this system weakens and exits off to the east, but look at the wind. What fluffy, flaky powder snow is dropped is going to blow and drift and continue causing slippery conditions. And oh, by the way, we'll have late clearing tomorrow night, setting up near record low temperatures possible in the valley for Wednesday. Here's the band of snow. Again, I want to describe this like this. Most of us in the dark blue area here will see 2 inches of snow, some of us up to 4. Most of us will get a trace of 2 inches in the blue. And there is some indications that this may be shifting south just a bit. So the FM area and the I-94 corridor, well, we're in play as well. So there, we've talked about thing one, and thing two is the record cold that follows. Late week storm, we'll talk about that too, but record cold for Wednesday morning in the teens below. We'll see some teens. These records set back way back in the late 60s. Here's a snapshot. Here's your teens. Anybody that gets fresh, flaky, fluffy snow will have a better chance at kissing a record on Wednesday, but don't kiss it too long because your lips may stick. Late Wednesday, here's the storm. Let's check that thing out. Thursday, a few showers of snow, locally heavy possible, but the main event, a Colorado low, swings through. Models don't agree on the track of this. It's a long ways away. But regional impacts are almost certain. Southern portions of the valley right now look to be impacted, and eastern portions towards Duluth and Minneapolis. That means your weekend travel plans could be impacted by that significant Colorado low system. Teens right now across the valley, north wind making it feel cool. There's your Clipper. It's on the way, and by morning our western counties will be seeing the impacts of that. At Hector, north-northwest wind at 13, making it feel like it's 1 whole degree, but at least it's above zero, and the sky looks pretty good. Planning forecast Wednesday, near record cold. Thursday, we'll get the onset of snow chances. Friday, the main impacts look to be Fargo and point south and east. We will keep you posted on our late week storm. Subtle break with a few flakes on Sunday, and then notice no 40s in that stretch of 11 days. That gets us within 4 days of the record for days with highs colder than 40 degrees, and a significant regional storm possible next week too, just to top it off.
It feels like Mother Nature is picking on us specifically, but looking at your storm, places far south of here could be getting snow as well.
Indeed. That's why we want to let you know about it, because the weekend you want to travel, maybe south, maybe not.
That's a good point. Still ahead on Valley News Live at 6. It's maple tapping season, or at least it should be. We'll give you a first-hand experience into the magic of how it's all made.